Hey dudes and chicks, and neither if those rules don't apply to you. Welcome to Makeup for Last Time. My name is Katie. Today I'm going to be popping this palette's cherry. It's the Elysian palette by Copacetic Cosmetics. The color story looks like this, and I bought it when I was researching black-owned makeup brands. This is a black-owned makeup brand, and it was one that I already had it on the radar, so I just decided to push the button on it. So I'm super excited. I love this look I created. I also ordered a couple other products by those guys. Just really quickly, I wanted to tell you that the definition of Elysian is an adjective, and it's relating to or characteristic of heaven or paradise. And it's pronounced Elysian. Yeah. Elysian. So anyways, yeah, I mean, I've been wondering what it means. This is like heavenly. And I fucking agree with that. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, or if you just like to watch, then just hang out. I'm going to start with, my Wayne GOSS number 19, and I'm going to go into this darkest navy blue right here, which I don't really use navy blue very much, do I guys? Do I? And I'm just going to do something super simple, like always. So I can move you guys in a little. This is blending really nicely. I'm having a little bit of bullshit going on in the crease here, but maybe that's just my PTSD. I'm just going something simple here too, I think. Fuck, that looks good with nothing. Look at that dimension. No, I'm going in deeper, deeper. See if it builds. Just kind of winging it out a little bit. Not too, I still want it to be rounded, but really just creating that illusion that my eye is longer. And then I'm going to use my Wayne GOSS number 20, and I'm going to go into this green color right here. Broken Dreams. And the original color that I used is Omniverse. The navy is Omniverse and the green is Broken Dreams. That's my kind of color story. Ooh, the fallout. Oh my word. These shadows are super pigmented, and oh my god. I don't know if you guys can see this, but look at how much. I am primed with my P. Louise primer in Room 02, by the way. I really just wanted to get on here and film something, anything, so I thought I'd just pop this palette's cherry really quick. A meaningful quickie for you guys. I don't want to talk too much because then it'll be too hard to edit. I want to get it edited tonight and uploaded for you guys by tomorrow. So I don't want to tell you guys where I've been or how busy I've been with what until I have more time for editing. I'm just going back into the blue with my Wayne Goss number 19. Ooh, that looks fucking good. I'm gonna tell you guys right now. I shouldn't do it, I should wait. But if I wait, I won't remember to tell you. Because I always wait, and then I never remember. But when I'm filming, I try my hardest not to cut out any of the blend. So quite frankly, like I will speed it up 4 times. So it'll look like I'm like moving really fast, but I won't cut it out completely because I really want you guys to know that sometimes it literally takes, like if you watch a video that's 15 minutes long and I've got all the blending on 4 times speed, right? Then what does that mean? That means all the blending is times 4 times. So like if you watch a video that's 20 minutes long and all the blending is 4 times, then let's just say, you know, that 13 of those minutes is me blending times 4. My point is that I want you guys to know the truth about these looks, how long they actually take to blend out. Having said that, what I was just about to say was, that's the reason why my videos are so long sometimes is because like I don't cut out the blending. I want you guys to know the truth. I want you guys to know the truth about how long it takes to blend out one of these looks that like looks to you guys like it's like boop, boop, boop. Boop, 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 done. No, it's not. It takes a lot of blending. However, having said that, it's really like the longer you blend something, and this isn't always true. You don't want to overblend something, but really there's just that sweet spot where you just blend something and then it's like, boom, magic right there, right? And then you go back into the green. That's like really kick up, you guys. Holy fuck. I don't even want to dip into it because I'm like, what the fuck? And I would never like that. But then I want to go back into the green. And just surround this. Surround, what am I looking for? I'm looking for some like super profesh word that all the real beauty YouTubers use. That's like gradient. That's what I'm looking at. Get it super blend so I can get the gradient, motherfucker. Because once you just get that last like blend, look at that. I actually look like I have a black eye. It looks real. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. I've been really excited about this palette. I knew it was gonna be a good one. I kind of wanted the butterflies one, whatever the fuck it was, the special butterflies collection or whatever, but it was sold out and it was probably for the best because it looked super mauve-y and super, I mean, it looked pretty and everything, but it probably wasn't really my style. And honestly, like, I'm really starting to get a little more crazy about what my style is. Like, I'm down buying palettes that ain't really my style. And I'm fucking this close to fucking getting rid of all the palettes that ain't my style, even though I know I probably want to keep them. I'm in love with this. It hasn't really come together yet. But, man, what do I look like? The Green Lantern? I look like some kind of superhuman green thing right now. It's like, oh my god. I just blew away half my palette. I'm gonna need to look up what the word Elysian looks like. Elysian? Elysian? I'm gonna look it up. We're gonna find out what this word means because these like broken dreams, utopia, spectral, astral, empath, what does it all mean? How does this come together? What is this word story trying to paint a picture of? I need to find out. I need to hit my Red Bull bong. If you guys want to know what I'm talking about, I'll leave that video linked up. If I can remember which one it was, where I talked about building this Red Bull bong so my Red Bulls would work better. So this is actually like, it's a Pop This Palette's Cherry. I'm taking this palette's virginity big time. But I got kind of a little baby haul. Like, it's not a haul, but I got 2 singles and a lip gloss. Basically, I was buying black-owned makeup brands, like just kind of trying to get more black owned shit. I went through and it said other suggested purchases with this palette, because this palette was like on my radar right away. It suggested these two singles, which are Sea Spray, and it looks like this, and it's a shimmer, and then Fizz, and it looks like this. And they're both green, so I'm going to use those. Because if you guys notice, which I'm sure you did, the only shimmers in this palette are basically like inner corner highlights. And I bet you they're going to be fucking good. But I wanted something more. So I got a lip gloss. I got the suggested other products bought with this palette. So basically I'm going to use this lip gloss that I got. It's called Euphoria. You guys know how I feel about Euphoria. And then I'm going to use those shadows, single shadows. I'm going to use my NYX Glitter Primer. So yeah, I already wanted this palette because who has it? Makeup by Anki did a video about it. I already wanted it. So I bought it when I did my black owned makeup brand. So yeah, Copacetic Cosmetics is a black owned makeup brand that I've been wanting to check out anyway. So I did during that time period. And then I'm gonna use my Zoeva 234 and I'm gonna go into this darker color, Sea Spray. And then I'm going to use the color Fizz, and I'm going to pick that up with the backside of this. And I was a little nervous that this was just going to come apart on me when I opened it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys see this? Oh god. Oh my god.
Oh god.
Look at that. The beauty. She's a beaut. I just went in and got a little bit more of that Sea Spray because I felt like it was very little of it. Ooh, look at that. I'm going to use this GOSS number 19 so that I can just tap out this back edge and kind of just give this a little blendy poo. Get rid of these little skid marks that I got going on here, whatever the fuck that is. I'm not sure. And then I'm going to use the color Hataru. I'm going to use that in my inner corner. I'm going to use this Alter Ego number 7. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my goodness. I'm going to spray it. You guys know. I got to. Oh my god. I feel like the Jade Queen right now. Oh my god. What do I want to do? What the fuck are you going to do, Sorenson? I'm going to just drag a little. When I first started watching YouTube, it was like Jaclyn Hill, and it would always be like the white shimmer, the light shimmery highlight the brow bone. But it's like nowadays, dude, the highlight colors they have, it's like, how can you resist putting that shit on your brow bone? I'm gonna go finish the other eye, do everything that I do, and I'll be back when I'm done. This is the manifesto, the pièce de résistance. I fucking love this. I literally feel like the Jade Dragon Princess. Jade just became my favorite stone. This is my favorite look that I've ever done. I think I should make a playlist that's called my favorite look that I've ever done, and there'll be like at least 35 videos in that playlist. I love this. I use my Boldface eye wigs in Thrill Seeker. I used my NYX Slide On Glide On All Day Hard On liner in like Golden Olive. I kind of was just going with the jade theme. I was gonna use this, and this is the Copacetic Cosmetics gloss in Euphoria, but I put it on and it was great. It's a great gloss. It's great. It's beautiful. It was just to the greenish side. It wasn't green enough for me, and I felt like it wasn't green enough for this look. So it was a great gloss, but I had to go with the Sugar Pill Liquid Lip in Dropout. So you can see the golden reflect. I love this fucking look. I hope you guys love it too. It's good to be back. I miss you guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because you're at the edge of your seat to find out what's gonna happen next. Hang out with me in the comments because I fucking love it. Hit the like button if you like this look, or if you just like my sparkling personality and my boyish charm. And thank you so much for spending your time here with me, your valuable time. You could have been anywhere, but you were here, and I totally appreciate you. Later. this look. I need to go to Walmart or something.